found this very cool flight controller, like mouse flight controller on the GitHub. So I decided to put across like a scene together, which I found from the asset store's asset. It had like a few demo scenes, so I decided to set things up and just see for myself that what it would look like. And honestly, the results that I got were actually amazing, and it looked really cool. I had a lot of problems with scaling the sizes and other things, and I know you can't really see anything right now because my laptop is literally trash. It doesn't even have a graphics card or anything. It's an i3 6100U. So yeah, 6100U or whatever, I don't know. It's running on Intel HD, so yeah, it can't really show any gameplay. The previous gameplay which you saw was recorded using the Unity's built-in Unity recorder, so yeah, the gameplay was smooth. But anyway, so yeah, that's all that I wanted to share. I don't really know what this is, and it's not going to be a game, but I think it just looks really cool, so I wanted to share anyway. It seemed pretty optimized considering it was running on a literal toaster, but it still gave me around 10 to 15 FPS even like when I wasn't recording using OBS. So, but overall the environment looks really nice, and there are a lot of environmental assets for me to play around with. So I guess I'll just build up a scene and try my way to like build something, I guess. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.